Despite Purpose. Technical uniform ang Purpose. Isabay tim kapit sa Purpose. Number 18. Tikutin, kira yan, sir, kira yan. Pedro, oh. Tim kapit sa Purpose. At Julian. Zero. People, tambay Lasta kayo. Ibang pasto champion ang side. Tugod. Ibang side tambay Lasta Turigan. Alagod, isang pasto Rosillo. Controlling ball, toward the backward. 50 to shoot. Pasto Rosillo. Take the shoot. Lasta. 8 to shoot. Alagod, 8 to shoot. Alagod, pass to Rosillo. 5 to let's start sa Turan. Pariho ito. Bola sa dari bola. Ini dia. Pass to Raglan, dito. Ini tugod. Diwagay ako. So, Rosillo. Bertemu ikan pastor Topan rasanya Topan ada Paul hari ini first take foul Tipal Alagod, iba sa Rosillo. Is the first marker, Rosillo. Taking the shoot. Rosillo. So, 15 to shoot. Too good. Take the shoot. Very good. Let's start. Alagod. 6 minutes and 25. Score 2. Controlling the ball. Raglan. 15 to shoot. Tipal. For 2. They score. 4-0. They score 4-4. 6 minutes and 17. Rosillo, ito ang Alagod. So ito. Ito po ni Tipal Pasto. Raglan. And there is also foul under 22. Rosillo. First, the foul, second take foul. Puro. Tipal. Torang Raglan. Harap by Raglan. 15 to shoot. Oh, take the shot. Good tempo. Perfect. Good for two. At the score, 6-1. Rosilio. Take the shot. Rosilio. So, 15 shot. Alas 20 kan. So, ano po ito? Good. Take the shot. Okay, berarti semua. So, Raga. 5 minutes ini. Raga. Ini the shoot. Raga. Control the ball. 15 the shoot. Raga. Jump it. So, ini. So, bertemu. Take the shoot. Posisi tinggal ini kan, jadi gantung Raga. Tumpikan tinggi di shoot, tinggal tujuh. Tinggal baik kan, hari ada tinggal. Tinggi di shoot, ada gol. Kontrol gol. Oh, kita gol. Tinggi di shoot, gol. Kapten. Okay, 3, 6, and 3. Ini orang 5. Aisyah lagi special. Raga, for 3. Good point. 9, 3 in favor of 4. Good. In the shoot. Good.
Oras.
Ada orang 3 minutes and 3. Time out. Goal position sa Poro 3 minutes at 53. Pagkakita mo na. Bertemu lepas kurang Raga anak saya ini terbuka bertemu tinggi shoot
bola
itu posisi Kalau break sampai posisi masih tinggi posisi ada karena saya itu coba tinggi shoot
Pipin to shoot. Raga. Tin to shoot. To timbal. To Bertolpo. And there is a whistle. Hoist foul rep. Number 22, Rosilio. Second personal foul. Third team foul of Pro Cruz. And Bertolpo will go to the free throw line to complete his two throws. First throw, no rebound. No good. Last throw. 2 minutes and 52. Last throw. Ready rebound. Ready defense and offensive rebound. Bertolpo. Good for one. Ang ating score 10-3 in favor of Porok 5.
Rosilio
Controlling the ball. Rosilio. To Alagon. Haras by Besqueda. To Rosilio. 20 to shoot. Rosilio pick and there is a whistle. Hit. Number 0-0. Ay 22. Arag 22. Duhan. Rosilio will go to the line to complete his two throws. 2 minutes and 44 in the first quarter. Rosilio. No good. Ang ating score 10-3 in favor of Purok 5. Rosilio. Last throw. Ready jumper. And no good again. Big rebound by Birukoy to Bisnesa. Haras by Rosilio. To Bertolpo, 20 to shoot. To Rag the Miran Rice. No good. And there is no whistle. Foul. The captain. Alagon. First personal foul. First personal foul, Alagon. First throw. A warning for penalty for those. Good for one by Timbal. Stand by Timbal. Good for one. Timbal tap. Substitution. Out Alagon. In. Batikan. Barbin to Alagon. Ang atong score 12-3. Double dribble. Ano yan? Double dribble. Birukoy pass to Rag. 20 to shoot. Haras by Barbin. To Birukoy to Mirandaris. 15 to shoot. To Bertolpo. Pass to napasay. And there is a whistle. Number 0-0. Besqueda. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Okay. Alagon. To Rosilio. 20 to shoot. To Alagon. No good. Big rebound by Rag. And there is a whistle. Last touch for Ben. 1 minute and 57. Ang ating score 10-3 in favor of Purok 5. Rag. 20 to shoot. Rag. Controlling the ball. 15 to shoot. Rag. Bertolpo jumping on the side. No good. 10 to shoot. Batikan. Nagdadala ng bola. Batikan. Pinasay. Last touch. Bertolpo. Stand by. Time out. Ball position. Purok 5 bola. Bertolpo. Ay Purok dia bola. Day out mal bola. Last touch balik na. The last touch si Bertolpo dia bola. Muna nga ball position sa Purok 2. Kay pagpasa ni Batikan. The last touch si Juan. Sige. Okay, Alagon. Inbound pass to Alvaro. To Bertolpo. There is a whistle. Last touch. Batikan, stepping on. Score 14-4 in favor of Purok 5. Ball position, Purok 5. Timbal. Inbound pass to Iligan. Iligan back to Timbal. Timbal. Tit. To Ragrag. 20 to shoot. 3 seconds violation. Barbid. To Rosilio. To Barbid. Barbid. To Alagon. There's a whistle. Number 4. Hit. Iligan. Number 4. Alagon will go to the front line to complete his 2 throws. Alagon. Carly. No good. Last throw. Ready, jumper. Ready, jumper. Last throw. Alagon. Good for 1. 5, 14-5. In favor of Purok 5. Ragrag controlling the ball. Ragrag. 20 to shoot. Ragrag for 3. No good. To Biscaida. Biscaida. Good for 2. Biscaida. 16-5. In favor of Purok 5. Rosilio. 15 to shoot. Rosilio. To pass to Alagon. Pass to Nuan. Dua masaw ni Alagon. 7 minutes is between. Ragrag. Controlling the ball. 20 to shoot. Ragrag. 15. Ragrag for no good. Wa makuha ni Pirkul po. Agad oras 6 minutes at 57. Barbid. Rosilio. Back to Barbid. Barbid. 20 to shoot. So Alagon. Intercepted by Biscaida. Nakuha ni Iligan. Backing violation. Backward violation by Iligan. 6 minutes and 36. Andoyan pass to Rosilio. Harass by Biscaida to Alparo. 15 to shoot. Good for Toby Alparo. 16-7 in favor of Purok 5. Ragrag to Timbal. No good. Big rebound by Rosilio. Harass by Biscaida to Alparo to Rosilio. 20 to shoot. Good for Toby Rosilio. Ang atong score 16-9. Bertolpo 5 minutes and 15. Bertolpo to Ragrag to Timbal pick and shot good for 2 Timbal. 18-9 in favor of Purok 5. 5 minutes and 40 in the second quarter. Alparo to Barbid. No good. Big rebound by Iligan. Iligan to Ragrag. Harass by Rosilio to Timbal to Bertolpo. No good. Big rebound by Barbid. 20 to shoot. 5 minutes and 10. Rosilio to Alagon. 15 to shoot. Alagon. No good. 10 to shoot. No goal. The rebound by Arag. Long pass to Timbal. Good to by Timbal. Standby substitution. To Timbal again. And there is a whistle. Pinasa ni Anduyan ni Timbal. Substitution right. Number 8. Out. And Timbal will go to the free throw line to complete his 2 throws. First throw. No jumper. Timbal. At the 15-foot line. No good. Wang may goreng. Last throw. Ready rebound. 4 minutes and 45. And the second quarter. Last throw. Ready defense and offensive rebound. Timbal. Stepping on the line. Early enter. By Timbal. Timbal, warning for delaying the game. Abiskaida, warning for delaying the game. Alagon, pass to Alagon. 20 to shoot. 4 minutes and 40. To Parvin. Intercepted by Ragrag. Haras by Parvin. Ragrag. Nice to be. Good shoot to Ragrag. Batikan. 22-9. Alagon. Haras by Ites. So Alparo. To Batikan. Batikan no good. Big rebound by Symbol. 4 minutes and 5. Intercepted by Ragrag. Look pass by Ragrag. Kuha masaw ni Timbal. Batikan to Alagon. 20 to shoot. To Batikan to mirror sa side. No good. Big rebound by Iligan. To Ragrag. Haras by Alparo. Bola sa Purok 5. Alparo last. 3 minutes and 44 in the second quarter. 22-9 in favor of Purok 5. 24. Bertolfo controlling the ball. 20 to shoot. Intercepted by to Alparo. Pass to Vizcaida. To Bertolfo. And double dribble. Point. 3 minutes and 27 in second quarter. Alagon. So Alagon the captain. Alagon. So Alparo. And there is a whistle. Foul number 17. It is second personal foul. Second team foul. 3 minutes and 21. Perfect. Intercepted by Ites. Pass to intercepted by Alagon. To Perfect. To Alagon. Good for Alagon. 2 minutes and 57. 11 to 11. In favor of Purok 5, Bertolfo. To Ites. 20 to shoot. To Vizcaida. Intercepted by Parvin. Alas by Bertolpo. O Alagod. Alagod. To Alagod. Good for Tobal Alagod. Back to back shot by Carly Alagod. After 22-13. 2 minutes and 20.
Stand by sub.
So, Tipal. 3-4.
Sub.
25, 13, 20, 2 minutes, and 2. Alagod, to Partin, haras by Bertolpo. 15 to shoot. To Alagod, 5 Skida, Alagod. Paro, Alparo. Good for Tony Alparo. 1 minute and 45. So, Iligan. Back to ball. 1 minute and 37. Tipal. 20 to shoot. No good. Big rebound by Alagod. At the cricket ball mistake. Tipal for 3 points. 28-15. In favor of Poroshenko. 1 minute and 12. There is a whistle. 0-0. Lack of power. Substitution. Alagod na, Alagod. Alagod the captain. Inbound pass to. Interception to. Rag. Dumaricho. And there is a whistle. Number 17. Parvin. Blocking foul. Tipal. To Rag. 15 seconds. Double team by Rag. Shot collected. No good. Alagod. 47 seconds. Pass to Rogelio. 49 seconds. 20 to shoot. Rogelio. To captain. No good. The rebound by Tipal. 25 seconds. Bertolpo. Tipal. To shoot. There is a whistle. Number 17 again. 27. Number 17 again. Hit.
What? Sub.
Tutros. Yes, substitution. Okay, Tipal will go to the front line. Shoot. And illegal. Out in Birugoy. Tipal will go to the front line. To complete his tutros. 27 seconds in the second quarter. Tipal. Lastro. Ready? Good run by Tipal. Interception. Rag. 15 to shoot. Tipal. Rag. And there is a whistle. House foul red. Number 22. Rosit. 40 seconds. 40 seconds. 25 in the second quarter. Tipal. Good for 2. 9 seconds. 5 seconds. 29. Hello. 31-15 in favor of Porok 5. Alparo. Porok knows for position. Alparo inbound. Pass to Alagon. Alagon. Harassment from Boy. Pass to Andres. No good. Big rebound by Rosilio and put back good for two by Rosilio. 31-17. Intercepted by Rosilio. Rosilio ngayon. Rosilio lays up. No good. Big rebound by Alparo. Alparo. And there is a whistle. Number 22. Ragrag. Ragrag, second personal foul, first team foul. Alparo will go to the free throw line to complete his two throws. Alparo, first throw, no rebound. Alparo. Standby substitution. Good for one. Standby go po shot, makasab. Last throw, ready rebound. Ready jumper. Lugod. Timbal. Timbal. Dumiritso. Lugod. Big rebound by. It is to Alvaro. It is again. Skip over the loose ball. Bola sa Porok 5. Substitution rep. Garbin out in Alagon. Ang atong oras 7 minutos o 30 segundos. Bertalpo to Ragrag, haras by Rosilio. Last touch Rosilio, symbol. 17 to shoot. 17 to shoot. Bertalpo to Ragrag, haras by Rosilio. Ragrag, jump to the side, no good. Big rebound by Alagon. Alagon, itisipin by Bertolpo, pinasa kay Alparo, no good. Big rebound by Ragrag to Bertolpo. 20 to shoot. Haras by Kapitan. Ragrag. Disipin by Alagon. Rosilio. Haras by Iwan. Nakuha ni Ites. Foul. 17. Number 10. Timbal, number 10. First personal foul, Timbal. Ball position sa Prognos. Alagon, inbound pass to Alagon. Alagon, the captain. 20 to shoot, haras ni Bertolpo. Alagon Miguel. No good. Big rebound by Birombay. Intercepted by Alagon. Alagon, goal for 2 by Alagon. Ang ating score, 31-18. Ragrag, haras by Alagon. Double team by Alagon. Ragrag, 15 to shoot. To Ites. To Bertolpo. There is a whistle. Hoist ball rep. Number 8. Carly Alagon. Number 8. Second personal foul. Substitution rep. Substitution rep. 8 per minute. 6 minutes and 14. 20 to shoot. Iligan to Bertolpo. Binalik ni Iligan. Pero wala masalo. In favor o Porok 5. Alagod. Alparo to Alagod. Alagod. Controlling the ball. 20 to shoot. Alagod. To Alparo. No good. Big rebound by Ragrag to Tipal. Exclusivity by Alparo. Alparo. And there is a whistle. House ball right. Number 17. It is Tami. 5 minutes and 50. Alparo will go to the free throw line to complete his 2 throws. It is third personal foul. Third team foul for Oxingo. Alparo. Good for one. Lastro. Lastro, ready jumper. Start by timeout Puro Cruz. O pasyate, mag-timeout no. 5 minutes and 50. Lastro, ready jumper. No good. Big rebound by Alagod. Top. And there is a whistle. Post ball right. Number 17 again. It is warning for graduation. Time out. Kapan? Huwag may time out. Alagod will go to the front line to complete his 2 throws. First throw. No rebound. No jumper. No good. Last throw. Ready jumper. Alagod in the 15-foot line. Last throw. Ready defense and offensive rebound. Alagod. 5 minutes and 50. No good. Big rebound by Ragrag. Harass by Alagod na captain. Ragrag to Dirokay. Harass by Alparo. To Dirtolpo. Good. 33. 21. Alagod. Harass by Tipal. Alagod. Double team by Iligan. And there is a whistle. Wrong pass by captain. Porosiko Bula sa Porosiko. Birogoy to Ragrag. 5 minutes and 25. 20 to shoot. Ragrag. 15 to shoot. Ragrag. To Timbal. 10 to shoot. So Bertolpo. Haras kay Alagod. Bertolpo. Tasay. Good. 35-21. 5 minutes and 2. Alparo, haras kay Bertolpo. Intercepted by Bertolpo. Ditapon sa gigit ni Bertolpo. Bola sa Puro Cruz. Nagitapoy na. Alagod. Standby substitution. Alagod. Intercepted by Tipal. 4 minutes and 55. Tipal. Shot clock 20. To Bertolpo. 10 to shoot. Tipal. To Birogoy. Birogoy. 36-21. Start by substitution. Alagod. Alparo. Controlling the ball. Alparo to Alagod. Good for 2 by Alagod. 4 minutes and 20 in the third quarter. Ragrag, haras by Alparo. 15 to shoot. Ragrag. And there is a whistle. Nabuta ng 8 seconds violation. Substitution right. Sub. Ano yan? In, out. Papin. 4 minutes and 5. Third quarter, Alagod to Alagod. 20 to shoot, Alagod. Slice the middle. And there is a whistle. Number 28.
Oras.
Perunggoy. Hit foul. Atong oras 3 minutes and 56 seconds. Alagon Binil will go to the free throw line to complete his two throws. Good for one.
Stepping.
Alagon last throw. Ready jumper. Alagon. Good for two by Alagon. 37-25. Ragrag haras kay Alvaro. Double take. Last touch Alvaro. Time out. Timbal. Inbound pass to Ragrag. Harap mo timbal again. Timbal ganyan na. Bugod. Timbal up. Alagon. Look pass to Alagon. Puro mga makuha ni Alagon. Wala na ipanuhod. At ang oras 3 minutes and 44. Ragrag. Inbound pass to Iligan. To Timbal. Intercepted by Andoyan. To Alagon again. Intercepted by Tertelpo to Timbal. Timbal tumiran mo guys. 3 minutes and 30. Alagon, the captain. Intercepted by Timbal. To Tertelpo. To Bironggoy. No foul. Nakuha ni Iligan. 3 minutes and 15. To Timbal, haras by Alagon. Iligan. 15 to shoot. Iligan. To Timbal. There is a whistle. Another 10 pushing foul. Timbal, second personal foul. Penalty. Alagon tuloy na. Betul po banyak kapten. Ang atong score 37-25. Ada di sini. Atong oras 2 minutes and 57. Iligan. 15 to shoot. Pass. Road pass by Iligan. Substitution. Alagon, 8 Camacho. Substitution rin.
Nagbulo.
Kuha si Alagon. Nag-restro na.
Nagbulo.
2 minutes and 48. Alagon, to Andoyan. Andoyan. 15 to shoot. To Alvaro. Hatas kay Iligan. To Alagon, the captain. No good. Nag-rebound by Ragrag to Timbal. Timbal for 2. 39-27 sampai substitution. 2 minutes and 20. Andoyan. To Alagon. To Mira. Good for 2 by the captain. Sampai substitution. Ragrag. 2 minutes and 9. Bironggoy. 20 shoot. So, Bertolpo. Haras by the captain. Intercepted by captain. To Alvaro to Ragrag. Good for 2 by Alvaro. 39-31. Iligan. 20 to shoot. Iligan. Is winding out open. Bironggoy. Tira. Dugo. Bertolpo. Basket count. Basket count. Substitution. Andoyan. Substitution. Out. Carly Alagon. In. Billy Alagon. Hospa right. Andoyan. Nabiritin. Hit. Andoyan. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Ang atong oras 1 minute at 23 in the third quarter.
Bertolfo will go to the free throw line to complete his two throws. 39-31, Bertolfo. 1 minute and 33, Bertolfo, first throw, no rebound, at first throw, no good. And there is a whistle. Start by Joseph foul. Number 10, penalty na, penalty. Timbal. Third personal foul, Timbal, penalty. So, saan ka nabukan? O substitution? Ang atong oras, 1 minute and 23. Sab ka. Sab na. Sab. Kung nga pang urili sa pula. Out Camacho. In Parvin. Alvaro, first throw, no rebound. Good for one. 41-32. Last throw, Rudy number. No good. Take rebound ng Rag. 1 minute and 30 in the third quarter. Substitution. Kisay mo sab. Durunggoy in Pisteda. Rag. So Pisteda. In kontra na po ni Pisteda. Captain, 1 minute and 29. Alvaro, against Rag. Alvaro, good to Pisteda. 1 minute and 20. Rag. Haras ball. 1 minute and 15. Rag. And there is a whistle. 1 minute and 10. Horsepower break. 17. Bartin. Rick Bartin. Third personal foul. Third team foul. Rag will go to the free throw line. Completed two throws. 1 minute and 10. Third personal foul naman. 1 minute and 10. In the third quarter, Rag. First throw, no rebound. No good. 31-34. Hindi buru-buru 5. Oras 1 minute and 10 seconds in the third quarter. Rag. First throw. Ready rebound. Good for one. 42-34. Hindi buru-buru 5. Alagon to Parvin. Haras by Bertolfo to Alvaro. Break and shot. Good for two by Alvaro. Look pass by. Asa bola rin. Bola sa Puro 5. 54 seconds. 54 seconds. Both team no time out. 54 seconds in the third quarter. Timbal to Rag. To Iligan. There is a whistle. Technical for flapping. The captain. Bawalan ng musikit o flap. Natay technical. 49 seconds. Foul.
Ato bola. Stepping.
Second personal foul. The captain. Alagud. Good for one. By Iligan. Ang atong score, 43-36. 49 seconds. 43-36. Hindi buru-buru 5. Iligan, inbound pass to Timbal. So, Rag to Meron Andres. No good. Big rebound by Timbal. Double team. Under is a whistle. And number 17. Barvin. Warning for graduation. Substitution break. Out Barvin. In Carly Alagod. At oras 30 pinag-pina. Timbal. penalty. Ang atong oras, 38 seconds. And the third quarter, timbal, first throw, no rebound. Good one. 44-36. 38 seconds. Timbal, last throw. Ready jumper. 38 seconds in the third quarter. Timbal. No good. They rebound by Bertolpo. Bertolpo to Timbal, jump to the other side. Good for Timbal.
Surus.
Ayan. 25 seconds. 22 seconds, no more shot clock. Alagos, haras by small red. There's a foul. Number 00, Vizcaita, holding foul. Penalty. 16 seconds. 16.5 seconds. 46-36. Hindi boro-boro singgo. Alagon will go to the free throw line to complete his first throw. Ato throw. First throw, no rebound. Good. Last throw, ready jumper. Ready jumper. Alagon in the 15-foot line. Good for one. 46-57. Ragrag, haras by Alparo. 15. Ragrag. 10 seconds. 5. There's a whistle. Voice foul red. Number 18. Andoyan Pit. Penalty, Tutros. 5.4 seconds in the third quarter, triple. First throw, no good. 46-36. Last throw, ready number. Timbal in the 15-foot line. Good for one, 47-37. 48. 5.4 seconds. 5.4 seconds. Alagos. So Alagos. Time na. 5-6. The fourth quarter. It is to Bertolpo. So Ragrag. Harassment. Ragrag. Jump to the side. 3 seconds violation. Porok 5. Nangitlog sa Laok. Parbin. Inbound pass to Rosillo. Haras by Vizcaita. There is a whistle. Pushing foul number 00. Vizcaita. Warning for graduation. First team foul. Porok 5. Andoyan to Rosillo, haras by Vizcaita. Rosillo. And there is a whistle. Hospital red. Number 17. It is kurang kuat na ni. Graduation time na selesai. Pulih. Second team foul. Asa kayo na bagi pulih. Dia na pinakakusgan. Dirunggoy. Rosillo to Parbin. Back to Rosillo. Pin to shoot. Intercepted by. There is a whistle. And there is a holding. Number 8, Carly Alagon. Third personal foul. First team foul. Ragrag. Inbound pass to Timbal. 7 minutes and 24. Timbal, haras by Rosillo. 20 to shoot. Back to Ragrag. 15 to shoot. To Bertolpo. 10 to shoot. To Ragrag. Haras by Alparo. Ragrag slice the middle. No good. Rebound by Dirunggoy. Intercepted by Rosillo. 20 to shoot. At yan. Pass to Alagon. Alagon. Good for 2 by Alagon. 6 minutes and 50. 48-40. At 39. 48-39.
Skor. Nih. Paulo.
Ragrag. Kasi kay ayaw sa Rizal. Hospital red. Number 22. Ragrag. Healthy foul. Third foul. Parbin. To Alagon. Blocking foul. Outside foul. Number 28. 28. Silent foul. Number 28. Birunggoy. Alagon will go to the free throw line. Alagon. Good for 1 by Alagon.
Stay pain.
48-40. Alagon, Castro, ready jumper. No good. Degrabati pa rin. Under is a whistle. Again. Birunggoy. Wearing jersey number 28. Birunggoy, penalty na rin. Penalty. Pili. Second question na foul by Birunggoy. Parvin will go to the free throw line. Who complete his 2 throws. First throw, 31. 6 minutes and 28. No good. Last throw, ready jumper. 6 minutes and 28. Good for 1. 48-41. Ragrag to Bertolpo. 20 to shoot. To Timbal, jumper aside. Under is a whistle. Hospital red. 17. Barbin, creation time. Pulih si Barbin. Timbal will go to the free throw line. First throw. No rebound. No good. Ikapoy Timbal. 6 minutes and 16. Last throw. Ready jumper. 6 minutes and 16. No good. Big rebound. Ragrag. No good. Big rebound. Alagon. Haras by Birtolpo. 20 to shoot. Alagon. No good. Big rebound by Ragrag. Lumpas to. Timbal. Good for 2 by Timbal. 5 minutes and 56. Rosilio to Andoyan. Haras by Birtolpo. To Alagon. Good for 2 by Alagon. Birtolpo. To Timbal. To Bustada. Put and shot. No good. Good for 2 by Timbal. 52-43. Under is a whistle. 0-0. Biskaida. Biskaida, graduation time. Penalty. Graduation na sa Biskaida. Napabay po ulit na. Time out. Purok Sigo. No good.
Stepping.
Last throw. Ready jumper.
Stepping.
Last throw. Ready jumper.
Luksor ba daan? Oh, wala.
Good for 1 na ito yan. 52-54. Abot Timor. Iligan. 20 to shoot. To Timbal. To wala. Bola sa Porogos. 5 minutes and 9. 52-44. Alparo Rosilio, haras by Timbal. Rosilio, 20 to shoot. So, back to Rosilio, haras by Pertulpo, 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. To Alpa, ato laban, block by Ragrag. Bola sa Puro 5. 4 minutes and 50 in the fourth quarter. Broker to Iligan. Iligan. 20 to shoot. Effective by Rosilio. So, Alagon. Ada po ni Iligan. Pass to Timbal, pick and shot. Good for 2 by Timbal. 44. Andoyan. Back to Andoyan. 4 minutes and 20. Haras by Iligan. Pass to Andoyan. Wala. Hindi naabot ni Alparo. Kita agad. 4 minutes and 14. And the fourth quarter.
Keep.
Ragrag to Iligan. 20 to shoot. Iligan to Ragrag. 4 minutes and 8. To Timbal. 15 to shoot. Timbal. Good. Tingnan ba natin palagay? Nandiyan sa Rizal. Count. Basket count. Foul. The captain. Number 11. 4 minutes. Atau oras 4 minutes. Shot. Good for 2. And there is a bonus throw. 56. 44. Timbal will go to the number line to complete this bonus throw. Last throw. Ready jumper. Timbal. Good. Big rebound by Alparo. Alparo muna captain. Double team. So, nakuha niya. Back to kapitan na ng team. Team shoot. So, Pinugay. So, Iligan. Block by Alparo. Iligan naman. Good for 2 by Iligan. Standby. Wala back one. There is a whistle. Bertulpo. Silent foul. Usa-usa na naman time out ang idong nawan. Usa out na team. Andun na. Pinag. Very. Good one.
Ang gawa sa kan.
Last throw, ready jumper. Good, kaya ito yan. Interception by last touch ini. Ang atong oras 3:36, 3 minutos 36 segundos. Intercepted ba? Good for 2 by Timbal. 60-46. Simple. Pass to Rosilio. To Sungkul. Intercepted by 3 minutes and 5. Ika po.
Score.
Shot clock 15. Timbal. To Ragrag. To Bertulpo. Good. Anduyan. 2 minutes and 50. To Sungkul. Simple. Oras 2 minutes and 50.
Bisa.
Anduyan to Alparo. Sungkul. Tumira ng Trace. Good. Ragrag. 2 minutes and 35. To Timbal. Haras by the captain. Good for 2. 62-46.
Tubang.
2 minutes and 25. Sumbol. Nag-dribble. To captain. Last touch the captain.
4 minutes and 17.
Para di na mahago. 20 na.
Bertolpo. So, Ragrag, 20 to shoot. 2 minutes and 10. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Last 2 minutes. 5 to shoot. Ragrag.
Aras.
Rosilio to Sumbul, intercepted by Haras by Timbal, pass to the captain, intercepted to Bertolpo, pinasa kay Timbal, solo alone, good for 2 by Timbal, 64-46, last 1 minute and 36. To Alvaro, long pass to Alvaro, good for 2 by Alvaro, 1 minute and 30. Ragrag, 1 minute and 25. 20 to shoot. 1 minute and 20. To Iligan, haras by Rosilio. 10 to shoot. 2 good. Ato Bertolpo. Good. There is official. Silent foul. 1 minute and 5. Post foul right. Bertolpo, number 00. Silent foul, penalty. 5. 64-48.
Oras.
1 minute and 5 seconds. Ang atong naibiling oras sa 4th quarter. Rosilio, no good. Lastro, ready jumper. 1 minute and 5. In the 4th quarter. Lastro. No good. Big rebound by Alvaro. Toro back to Rosilio pick and to Alvaro. Pick again and shot. Good for 2 by Alvaro. 64-50. 1 minute. Ragrag. So Bertolpo by Iligan. 50 seconds. Iligan. 45 seconds in the 4th quarter. Andulan, 40 seconds to Alagon the captain. No good. To Bertolpo. 30 seconds to Ragrag. To Timbal. 25 seconds. Good for 2. 66. Ada oras 20 seconds. No abortion clock. Itu 15 by Ragrag. 15 seconds. Ragrag. 10 seconds.